In this video, you'll learn how to set featured images on WordPress. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to enhance your posts with visually appealing images that capture your audience's attention. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website. In the top navigation bar, find and click on Sites. This action will direct you to a page displaying all the sites associated with your account. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid delays during this process. Once the site's page loads, locate the site you wish to work on. Click on its title to enter the site management interface. Take note that if you have multiple sites, you should select the correct one to avoid any confusion later. After this, look for a button labeled Close in the upper right corner of the screen and click it. This will take you back to the main editing interface. At this stage, it is crucial to confirm that you are in the correct editing area before proceeding. Next, find the plus icon, usually located within the editing interface. Clicking this icon will open a menu with various content options. Ensure that you are ready to add new content, as this will initiate the process of adding your featured image. Following this, look for the search function within the new menu. Click on the search bar and type in Gallery. This will help you locate the gallery option quickly. A momentary loading indicator may appear as the system processes your input. Once the search results populate, click on the option labeled Gallery. This action will bring up the gallery settings where you can upload images. It is advisable to check your internet speed, as uploading larger images may take longer. Now, locate and click on the option that says Upload an image. This will open your file browser, allowing you to select images from your device. Make sure that the images you choose meet the required specifications for size and format. After that, select the image you want to use as your featured image and click on Open. This step will initiate the upload process. Be patient as the image uploads and watch for any notifications that confirm the upload success. Next, you will be prompted to select a template for the gallery that will feature your image. Choose one that best suits your design preferences. This selection is important as it determines how your images will be displayed on your site. Finally, once you have configured the gallery settings, you will see a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully added an album gallery. At this point, it is essential to review your changes and ensure everything appears as desired before finalizing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.